Welcome to our educational journey through time. Today, we embark on a fascinating exploration of how the continents formed and what the world was like in its ancient past. Join us as we unveil the incredible story of our planet's transformation over billions of years. Billions of years ago, our planet was a fiery, molten ball formed from the remnants of a supernova explosion. As it cooled and solidified, a series of awe-inspiring events took place, shaping the Earth into what it is today. The birth of continents. Around 335 million years ago, the Earth's landmasses were concentrated in a supercontinent called Pangaea. This massive landmass was surrounded by the global ocean, Panthalassa. Over millions of years, the forces of plate tectonics caused Pangaea to break apart. Continents drifted away from each other, leading to the formation of the continents as we know them today. Plate tectonics and their impact. The key to understanding the formation of continents lies in plate tectonics. The Earth's lithosphere is divided into several large and small tectonic plates that float atop the semi-fluid asthenosphere. As these plates move, they interact in various ways. When two plates collide, they create immense pressure and form mountain ranges like the Himalayas. On the other hand, when one plate slides beneath another, it's called subduction, leading to volcanic activity and the creation of island arcs. Moreover, when plates pull apart, new crust forms along ocean ridges, pushing the continents away from each other. The Mid-Atlantic Ridge is one such example, slowly widening the Atlantic Ocean. Ancient world before continents. Before the formation of continents, the Earth looked vastly different. The land was barren, with volcanic activity and frequent meteor impacts shaping the landscape. Gradually, as the Earth cooled, the first oceans appeared, creating a favorable environment for primitive life forms to evolve. The early oceans were teeming with single-celled organisms, such as bacteria and archaea. The changing face of Earth. Over millions of years, the Earth underwent dramatic changes. From the Precambrian to the Paleozoic, Mesozoic, and Cenozoic eras, life evolved, and continents continued to shift. The planet witnessed ice ages, asteroid impacts, and mass extinctions that shaped the course of evolution. Notable events, like the impact of an asteroid that led to the extinction of the dinosaurs, drastically altered life on Earth. Today, the continents are distributed across the globe, and our world is a rich tapestry of diverse landscapes and life forms. As we ponder the Earth's past, let us also appreciate the delicate balance that sustains life on our beautiful planet. It is a reminder of the importance of preserving and caring for our home. Thank you for joining us on this awe-inspiring journey through time. If you enjoyed this educational adventure, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating insights into the wonders of our world. Until next time, keep exploring and seeking knowledge.